Alright guys, we had a nice juicy sell-off today, and in this video I'm going to show you how this incredible volume indicator predicted the sell-off before it actually happened. Alright, so let's get into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the S&P 500. You guys know this is the global benchmark, and you can trade the S&P on any asset class. Forex, futures, stocks, and options, it's all good. And what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume-based indicator. You guys already know this is a world-class indicator that can help you predict the trend change before it actually happens. You guys know how I feel about this. I'm a firm believer in a trend trading strategy has just been proven, right? Like scientifically proven to be more successful than any other strategy. But more importantly, I think that being able to predict a trend before it actually happens, and before the other guys, and certainly before all the other retail amateur traders who are on their garbage charts, right? Being able to predict the starting point like we did right here today makes all the difference in the world. I mean, this really separates the good traders from the mediocre traders. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to be mediocre, right? I want to be legendary. So let me dial you in here. All right, let's just zoom in here and let me show you some really interesting techniques. I'll probably just start by showing you the setup. All right, so can you see, guys, how the indicator changed colors, right? It changed from green into red at this exact moment in time. In fact, let me just go ahead and move the box over here, right? Now, this is the location and the moment in time that you have to start paying attention. Something just triggered in the market. You don't know what it is, but you got to be laser focused on the chart to see what happens next. All right. And for all you long-term subscribers, you know what's coming next, right? What I like to do is wait for a retracement pattern. What's a retracement pattern? Well, I want to see the market come down a little bit, right? Establish the downtrend. Then I want to see it come back up, giving me a retracement. This is what a retracement means, ladies and gentlemen. This is the market coming back to us, aka pulling back and giving us one final opportunity to potentially go short this market. And then, folks, you know what I like, right? I like to wait for a perfect color match. I want to see a red bar, which is this one right here. I want to see this red bar print against the color band, and it's got to be above the color band. And that's what makes this a perfect setup from today. Okay. Not complicated, folks. If you want complicated, you go back to your garbage charts. All right. I firmly believe that the traders who find the most success are relentless in finding the perfect strategy that suits their style. And those are the kind of traders that I programmed this volume indicator for. All right. So all the conditions were true on this particular setup. And so what I would look to do, all right, is potentially go short on the open of the next bar, which would be somewhere in this location right over here. And I would look to place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow me along in Forex, all right, above this bar's high. Makes sense? So this white line here, in fact, one second, let me just get rid of this box. You see this white line here, folks? This is where the stop loss would go. That's it, folks. Boom, you're in the trade. Boom, you place your stop loss, and you just wait and see what happens next. And if I fit this back to scale here, I'm going to go ahead and press the F button here, fit this back to scale. You can see that the market takes an absolute dump for a shockingly quick 200 ticks. All right. Again, folks, not complicated. And the one last thing I'm going to share with you guys is, some of you guys are asking, like, how do you trail a winning position, right? Like, let's say you took this potential trade and the market ripped down here, right? What would you do with your stop loss? Where would you move it? Would you trail it bar by bar? Would you use the volume color band? And what I can tell you, folks, is what I like to do, right? I like to move my trail to every reversal bar's high, right? So say this market took an absolute dump like it did today. I'm going to be moving this protective stop loss only after I see the next reversal bar print, which is over here, right? So when this red reversal bar prints, I'm going to move my trail, and I'm going to move it 1 tick above this bar. You with me? And then I do it again for the next bar. right? Which is this bar right over here. And then eventually I get taken out and bagged a nice little potential winner today. And it works on both angles, folks. If we look at the, let me show you the bullish, right? Let's say you took a trade somewhere, right? You took a trade somewhere here, and then boom, the market ripped here, right? And your protective stop loss was somewhere over here. Well, just follow the reversal bars, folks, right? If you feel that the market is going to rally and move in your favor, all you gotta do is follow the reversal bars, right? So here's one, here's one, here's one, here's one, right? So every time one of these bars prints, you would just move your stop loss. You move it here, right? Trail it up there, then trail it up here, then trail it up here, and then trail it up here. What this allows you to do, folks, is allows you to squeeze every single potential tick or pip that you can out of an uptrend and do the same thing out of a downtrend. Right? So there you have it, folks. Hope you guys crushed it today. I hope you killed it today. Congrats to all my new customers who took a chance and decided to get involved. I'm so glad to hear your feedback and your success stories. You guys could not have asked for a better trading environment to get involved with a new trend trading style. I mean, we're only 9 trading sessions into the month. Think about that. Only 9 sessions into the month, and this has already been a record-breaking month for trading volumes. And if you're still on the sidelines scratching your balls or fumbling and bumbling around with these garbage charts, shame on you, man. All right? Do better, be better. That's going to do it for today's market trading recap. Remember, folks, all specials and promos are going to expire without notice. So don't complain if you end up having to pay double or triple what I was charging last month, all right? Because I've decided, folks, that this particular volume-based software and this volume trading tools, it's way too valuable, all right? See you in the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.